In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Gmail account to your Yahoo Mail. This can be a really handy way to manage multiple email accounts in one place and ensure you never miss an important message. So let's dive right in and see how you can set this up seamlessly. First, we need to begin by navigating over to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Yahoo Mail username to get started. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and click on the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your password, so go ahead and type in your password for your Yahoo account. After you've entered it, click Next again. This completes your sign-in process and you're one step closer to merging your Gmail with Yahoo Mail. Now that you're signed into Yahoo Mail, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings. From here, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll need to select More Settings. Within the More Settings menu, find the Mailboxes section on the left-hand side and click on it. This section is where you can manage all the email accounts associated with your Yahoo Mail. In the Mailboxes section, you will see an option to add mailbox. Click on that, and a list of different email providers will appear. Since we're connecting Gmail, go ahead and select Google as your email provider. When prompted, enter the Gmail address you want to add. After typing in your Gmail address, click Next. A pop-up window may appear directing you to Google's sign-in page. Follow the prompts here and make sure to give the necessary permissions for Yahoo to access your Gmail account. It's important to read through the permissions carefully to ensure you're comfortable with this integration. After granting the permissions, Yahoo will link to your Gmail account, allowing you to manage emails from both accounts effortlessly. And there's an optional step here to customize your setup further. You can add a name and description to the new mail account being added. This can help you easily identify the mailbox, especially when dealing with multiple accounts. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, click on Done. Congratulations, your Gmail is now connected to your Yahoo Mail. You'll be able to manage your messages more efficiently and keep everything organized in one place. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your email a little more streamlined. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.